Hello friends, today I am going to show you something interesting. This is one brake light that I have purchased for my Hero Electro C8. This was one missing feature in all the electric bikes, unless they are super high end where they have given tail light. So this is a safety lamp, and let's see that what comes in this. So it's simple. You get this kind of structure. So this will be something to fix it. Again, the feature to fix it. And here it is. You can switch it on from here. So I switched it on. So this is directional. Sorry, the on off is here. So I switch it on. So now you can see that this is on. So this kind of light will be there. And when I am braking, then like this. So this part will fit near the rear brake. So when you are applying the brakes, this light will switch on. And these are the turn indicators. So if you want to turn left, you see that left indicator is buzzing like this. This is right, off. And then this is to change the horn. So this is, you can select different kind of sounds. So all these dials. So when you are changing the sound will change for throughout all the operations. So you can see right now it has day and night mode. So right now this is off. So it means if I apply this, the horn will work, these indicators will work, and so will this brake light. But then it's the day mode. When you are switching on the night mode, this light will constantly blink. So now it's giving a safety feature to your bike, that your bike will be visible even in dark to others through this red light. The wavelength of the red light is the longest, so it will be visible for a very long distance, and everything else will work as planned. So indicators will work and brake light will work. So this is a good feature, and you will have this kind of blink light, red light in front also, so that people know that you are coming. So you can see that it is fixed like this. The controls will be fixed on the handlebar, and then I have taken these wires along with the wires of my C8 so that they don't dangle around. And this is the mechanism that actually makes this light work. So when you are pressing the brakes like this, you will see that this will be pressed, and consequently this light will be on. So see from here, now carefully, see. सो ये हम अपनी साइकिल को यहाँ लाए और अभी देखते हैं कि ये कैसे काम करता है. Let me close the door because there are a couple of young kids here and I do not want to wake them up. So see, this is the front one. So see, Uh, this is the front indicator, and we have all the controls here also, as I showed you. So see, this is the horn, and if I use the indicator light, left indicator, right indicator, and then there is a night mode. If I switch that on, then this light as well as the rear light both will be on. So you can see that the rear light is on, and when I am pressing the brake, extra lights will come out, and you see how the indicator looks from behind. So again, left indicator, right indicator, and this is night light off. Daytime, left indicator, right indicator, on. So this is it about how this functions. When you are pressing the brake in daytime, it will look like this. In night time, it will look like this. So now comes the question, should you buy this or not? So let me tell the good things about this first. Good thing is that it gives you a light that indicates that you are stopping your cycle, at least for the rear brake. It gives you indicator, so front indicator is not visible, I guess, to anyone other than you. And I seriously doubt that anybody who is coming towards me will be actually looking at the front indicator much, but maybe with the sound they will be attracted and they might look. Rear indicator definitely helps. So, and you get a basic horn also. So, though nobody cares about your honking anymore in this world, but then now the points which are not good, or I can flatly say bad. The build quality is extremely flimsy, very cheap plastic has been used. And today morning itself, before shooting this video, I was cycling, and then at one place my cycle jumped slightly and then something fell off. So I stopped and went back, and I realized the battery cover on the rear indicators, it has fallen off. It's extremely flimsy. It's not waterproof at all, so you cannot use it during rains. So it's practically open. You just put a drop of water, it will seep in. And the build quality of the mechanism that attaches in the rear brake, that's also very, very flimsy and very cheap plastic. That should have been the most sturdy part, because that will be pressed again and again. So the idea is good, but implementation is very much cheap, and this is exactly epitome of the kind of product that we call China product. Its price must not be more than 100 rupees. It doesn't deserve any single penny more than 100 rupees, though I paid 450 rupees from my hard-earned money. So seriously, this is not worth it. I purchased this so that you know that this is not a good product to buy. So as a YouTuber, I thought it is my responsibility to tell you. But there is a good thing that some companies should take you from here and make the same thing using better material and make it waterproof, so that this is weatherproof. It can be used during all the seasons when you are cycling. And second thing that is very important, why only give a braking mechanism for the rear brake? What about when I am applying the front brake? It will be actually very dangerous, because the vehicles which are coming from behind you, if they notice that there is an indicator that is turning on when you are pressing the brake, they do not know whether you are using the rear brake or front brake. So when you are using the front brake, though generally we don't use front brake alone, but if you are using the front brake and then there is no indicator behind you, so the vehicle behind you might think that you are not braking at all. so it can be dangerous. So please do not buy this, avoid this, and buy something good. And if you come across some good product, let me know. I will try to get my hand on it and review it. So that's all for today.